MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. And in his vowels he had an A-E-I-O-U. With an A here and a there, here an A, there and a, everywhere an A. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. And in his vowels he had an E, A-E-I-O-U. With an E here and a there, here an E, there and a, everywhere an E. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. And in his vowels he had an I, A-E-I-O-U. With an I here and an E there, here an I, there an E, everywhere an I-E. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. And in his vowels he had an O, A-E-I-O-U. With an O here and an O there, here an O, there an O, everywhere an O. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. And in his vowels he had an U, A-E-I-O-U. With an U here and an there, here an U, there and a, everywhere an U. Old MacDonald had some vowels, A-E-I-O-U. So children, did you all enjoy singing the rhyme along with me? Now, it's very important to tell you that each vowel has two sounds. Short vowel sounds, long vowel sounds. You must have all heard those sounds while singing the rhyme, like A makes A and A sound. E makes E and E sound. I makes I and I sound. O makes O and O sound. U makes U and A sound. Children, now you are going to view some pictures on your screen, and at the same time listen to my pronunciation of these words, keeping in mind the vowel sounds that we have learned. A says A, angel. A, ape. A, apron. A says A, apple. A, alligator. A, ant. E says E, engine. E, eagle. E, eel. E says elbow. Elephant. Egg. I says ice. Ice cream. Iron. I says ink. Insect. India. O says open. Oak. Old. O says orange. Octopus. On. U says unicorn. U, universe. U, uniform. U says uncle. Umbrella. Under. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, share this link with your near and dear ones, and do feel free to subscribe to this channel for the latest notification if you haven't done so. Till then, bye bye, have a gala time. Catch you soon in my next video.